SMTP email error 543, 546, 547. How to resolve solved. Warmy blog. Email remains a cornerstone of modern business communication, facilitating rapid and wide-ranging exchanges crucial for daily operations. However, SMTP errors, particularly 543, 546, and 547, can disrupt this vital channel, leading to lost opportunities and delays. SMTP email errors 543, 546, and 547 signal specific issues that need immediate resolution to ensure smooth email transmission. Recognizing their error messages and understanding their causes is essential for effective troubleshooting. Error 543 typically reads 543 relaying denied, indicating the server refuses to forward the message due to authentication issues. This occurs when the sender's email isn't authorized by the server settings. Error 546 usually shows 546 email rejected, meaning the receiver's server has rejected the email. Common triggers include sender address issues, spam filter activation, or violations of the destination server's policies. Error 547 often states, 547 delivery not authorized, message refused. This indicates delivery issues due to authorization problems, server policy limitations, or incorrect recipient addresses. To resolve these errors, addressing their root causes is critical. For error 543, verify authentication credentials and SMTP relay settings, and review server policies to ensure compliance. Fixing error 546 involves inspecting email content and attachments for spam triggers, checking the sender's reputation, and verifying the recipient address for accuracy and activity. Resolving error 547 requires checking email permissions and security settings, ensuring policy compliance, and confirming the recipient's server availability to prevent downtime disruptions. Using an email warm-up service like Warmy.io can enhance email deliverability and prevent these SMTP errors. Warmy.io gradually builds a trustworthy sender reputation by conditioning new email accounts. Warmy.io also provides tools for email deliverability tests, blacklist monitoring, and email authentication, helping businesses maintain effective communication channels and avoid common SMTP issues. Addressing SMTP errors 543, 546, and 547 is essential for maintaining efficient email communication. Implementing targeted solutions and leveraging tools like Warmy.io can significantly reduce disruptions and enhance email reliability. Before you leave, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Stay tuned for more fun stuff.